Welcome to Histri, the channel where we explore the mysteries and marvels of the universe. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of comets, nature's cosmic time capsules. Imagine these icy wanderers, remnants from the birth of our solar system, plunging through space, igniting in a blaze of glory as they near the sun. These celestial travelers with their glowing heads and sweeping tails have inspired both awe and fear throughout history. Ancient civilizations saw them as omens, while astronomers have meticulously tracked their paths, unlocking secrets about the cosmos. In this episode, we'll uncover the stories of the top 10 most famous comets, sharing not only their awe-inspiring facts, but also some surprising details you probably didn't know. Topping our list is Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko. And if that's a mouthful, you can just call it 67P, like a close friend. What makes 67P so special? This comet was the star of a groundbreaking mission, the Rosetta mission. Imagine this, a spacecraft, launched from Earth, catching up to a comet, orbiting it, and then deploying a lander to touch down on its surface. That's exactly what happened with 67P. It was a triumph of human ingenuity and a giant leap for space exploration. But the discoveries didn't stop there. As Rosetta got up close and personal with 67P, it found something remarkable: complex organic compounds on the comet's surface. These compounds are the building blocks of life as we know it. Finding them on a comet billions of years old opens up a Pandora's box of questions about the origins of life on Earth. Could comets, these icy messengers from the dawn of time, have delivered the ingredients for life to our planet? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? Data from Rosetta also revealed that the water on 67P is different from the water on Earth. This finding challenges the idea that comets were the primary source of Earth's oceans, adding another layer of complexity to the story of our planet's origins. Our next cometary celebrity needs no introduction, especially if you're a fan of planetary billiards. I'm talking about Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, the comet that went out with a bang, literally. In 1994, this fragmented comet collided with Jupiter in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. It was the first direct observation of an extraterrestrial collision in our solar system. Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter with the force of millions of atomic bombs. The impact scars were visible even from Earth. It was a stark reminder of the immense power of the cosmos. The event ignited research in planetary defense systems. Thank you, Shoemaker-Levy 9, for the cosmic wake-up call. Now let's talk about a comet that's near and dear to my heart, or at least to the heart of our sun. I'm talking about Comet Lovejoy, a true survivor and a testament to the resilience of these icy wanderers. Discovered in 2011 by amateur astronomer Terry Lovejoy, how cool is that? This comet quickly became the talk of the solar system. You see, Comet Lovejoy was on a Daredevil's trajectory, a close encounter with the sun that had astronomers on the edge of their seats. We're not talking about a near miss, folks. We're talking about a graze the surface of the sun kind of close. Most comets in Lovejoy's position wouldn't stand a chance. The sun's intense heat and gravity would rip them apart, but not Lovejoy. This comet defied the odds, surviving its fiery rendezvous with our star and emerging on the other side, albeit a little worse for wear. As it whipped around the sun, it left behind a magnificent tail that stretched millions of kilometers, a dazzling testament to its close shave with our star. Let's face it, some comets are just rock stars, and when it comes to celestial celebrity, Halley's Comet takes the cake. This cosmic icon needs no introduction. It's been a regular visitor to our skies for centuries, gracing us with its presence roughly every 76 years. That's right, every 76 years, like clockwork, Halley's Comet swings by Earth, putting on a celestial show that has captivated cultures for millennia. We're talking about a comet so famous that its appearances are recorded in ancient texts, on tapestries, and even in cave paintings. Imagine our ancestors looking up at the night sky, witnessing this fiery streak across the heavens. It must have been a sight to behold, a cosmic spectacle that inspired both awe and fear. One of the most famous appearances of Halley's Comet was in 1066 AD, just before the Norman conquest of England. It was even depicted in the Bayeux Tapestry, a 70-meter-long embroidered cloth that tells the story of the conquest. Each time it returns, astronomers are ready with their telescopes, eager to study its composition, its trajectory, and unlock the secrets it holds about the early solar system. The next time Halley's Comet graces our skies will be in 2061. Mark your calendars, folks, because it's going to be a show you won't want to miss. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to talk about a comet so bright, it could be seen even during the day. I'm talking about Comet McNaught, also known as the Great Comet of 2007. Discovered by, you guessed it, astronomer Robert McNaught, this comet blazed across the sky, reaching a peak brightness that rivaled Venus, the brightest planet in our night sky. Now that's saying something. But McNaught's brilliance wasn't its only claim to fame. This comet also boasted a tail that stretched across an astonishing 35 degrees of the sky. To put that in perspective, that's like stretching your arm out and seeing the comet's tail span the distance from your fist to way beyond your elbow. McNaught's performance was so impressive that it earned the title of the brightest comet in over 40 years. In the world of comets, there are those who like to take their time, making their rounds once every few centuries, and then there's Comet Enki, the speed demon of the cometary world. This comet holds the record for the shortest known orbital period of any comet, zipping around the sun in a brisk 3.3 years. Discovered way back in 1786 by Pierre Méchain, Comet Enki has been observed over 60 times, making it one of the most well-studied comets in history. But Enki's claim to fame isn't just its speed. This comet is also the source of the torrid meteor showers, a dazzling annual display of shooting stars that grace our skies every November. So, the next time you're wishing upon a shooting star during the torrids, remember to thank Comet Enki, the little comet that could and could and could. Get ready for a blast from the past, folks, because we're about to journey back to 1997, the year of the Spice Girls, Titanic, and a comet so bright, it graced our skies for an incredible 18 months. I'm talking about Comet Hale-Bopp, the Great Comet of 1997. And let me tell you, it was a celestial spectacle for the ages. Discovered independently by Alan Hale and Thomas Bopp, hence the catchy name, Hale-Bopp was visible to the naked eye for a record-breaking length of time, captivating skywatchers around the globe. One of the most striking features of Hale-Bopp was its twin tails. Now, most comets sport a single tail, but Hale-Bopp wasn't satisfied with just one. It had a dust tail, reflecting the sunlight, and a gas tail, glowing with its own eerie light. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to talk about a comet that gave Earth a very close shave. I'm talking about Comet Hyakutake, the celestial visitor that graced our skies in 1996. And let me tell you, it was a close encounter of the comet kind. Discovered by, you guessed it, astronomer Yuji Hyakutake, this comet made headlines not just for its brilliance but for its remarkably close approach to Earth. We're talking about a mere 15 million kilometers away, a cosmic hair's breadth in astronomical terms. To put that in perspective, that's about 40 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. During its flyby, Comet Hyakutake treated skywatchers to a spectacular show. It boasted a bright green coma, a cloud of gas and dust surrounding the comet's nucleus, and an incredibly long tail that stretched over 500 million kilometers. Now let's talk about a comet that had everyone buzzing, a comet that was touted as the comet of the century. I'm talking about Comet Ison, the icy wanderer that took center stage in 2013, and let me tell you, it was a tale of cosmic drama. Discovered by two Russian astronomers, Vitaly Nevsky and Artyom Novichonok, Comet Ison quickly grabbed the attention of the astronomical community. Why all the hype? This comet was on a collision course with the Sun, and not just any collision course. We're talking about a suicidal plunge into the heart of our star. As Ison hurtled towards its fiery demise, astronomers around the world trained their telescopes on this cosmic kamikaze, eager to observe its behavior as it braved the sun's intense heat and gravity. Would it survive the encounter, emerging on the other side in a blaze of glory? Or would it succumb to the sun's fiery embrace, disintegrating into a cloud of cosmic dust? It was a nail-biting cosmic cliffhanger. Unfortunately, Ison's journey ended in a dramatic finale. As it reached its closest point to the sun, the comet broke apart, unable to withstand the immense forces at play. And last but not least, we come to a comet that took the world by storm in the summer of 2020. I'm talking about Comet NEOWISE, a celestial visitor so bright it graced our skies for weeks, captivating even casual observers. Discovered by, you guessed it, the NEOWISE Space Telescope, this comet was a welcome distraction from the tumultuous events unfolding on Earth at the time. NEOWISE was a sight to behold. It boasted not one but two tails, a dust tail, reflecting the sunlight, and an ion tail, glowing with its own eerie blue light. These dual tails, stretching across the night sky, were a testament to the comet's activity, a visible reminder of the volatile nature of these icy wanderers. It was one of the brightest comets visible to the naked eye in decades, gracing both the northern and southern hemispheres with its presence. For those who took the time to look up, NEOWISE offered a glimpse of the cosmos, a reminder of the vastness of space and the wonders that lie beyond our planet. And there you have it, the top 10 most famous comets that have captivated our imaginations and expanded our understanding of the universe. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. From close encounters with the sun to cosmic collisions and dazzling displays of light, these icy wanderers continue to fascinate and inspire us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Histri. Until next time, keep looking up.